Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and in today's video I will be showing you how to download Casual app on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Google Play Store. Now on the search bar at the top of this interface, type in Casual and search for that. You will get multiple search results. From there, tap on the first app that says Casual Make and Play. Now tap on Install button, and depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time to get downloaded on your device. Once it is downloaded and installed, open up the application and you can start making and playing in Casual application. So that's how you can simply download Casual app on Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.